Colin's house. Right now it's about like 9:30 in the morning. I have my hair appointment at 10 a.m. I need to get going. I actually also haven't eaten anything yet, so I feel like I should probably grab like a smoothie or something on the way because dyeing your hair is a very long process. It is pretty gloomy outside today, so I think I'm just gonna wear something warm. Let's go get my hair done. Oh, I'm so excited.
색소가 피그먼트가 뭐 다르게 나오지. 하지만 요것은 다 빼서 예쁘게.
뭘 보니까 누군지 모르겠어. 어색하잖아. 진짜 어색해요. Okay, I'm gonna go show my sister my hair.
Whoa! I can't really see you. Come closer. Oh my god! Wait, I can't really come closer. I can't see on the ceiling right here. Wow! You're looking great.
Yeah.
Oh, come here. It looks like a wig.
So I just got home. My hair is kind of like all over the place right now. There's a lot of cleaning to do because it's like final season right now, so it's been a little bit busy. Right now we haven't really had a lot of time to clean, and I have been ruthlessly searching for my battery charger for my camera and I can't find it anywhere. So I'm gonna do like a deep clean of my apartment and hopefully try to find it. One of the things I do when I go to ikea is I always get like the little bamboo like plants that you can get on the way out just for fun. So far I have two. I think I need to propagate them because they're pretty long. I want to be a good plant mom. I feel like I'm just like very unaware of like how to properly take care of plants because every platform I look at is like they're always different. People say like don't put rocks in your soil. Other people say put rocks in your soil. Everything I look at is like very contradicting, and I think like at some point I just gotta kind of take my own direction with it. A lot of my plants I've had for like a couple years now, and they've always been like very close to dying, and then they come back again. I feel like they're all living on like the edge of like death. I don't think I'm taking care of them properly, so I really want to do that. Hello!
Oh my goodness, who are you?
Thoughts?
Don't call me that. Just be a gopher.
Sunday morning. I head over to Colin's house. I'm just gonna say hi to his cat, and then his brother's gonna drive us to church. Later I'm gonna hang out with one of my other friends before I leave for the summer. So I don't know what we're gonna do. We might just like catch up or get some food. Okay. Yo, what do you think about this shirt?
Oh, I like it.
I love that.
I'm gonna devour everything right now. Hey, what's up? Okay, I just finished my last final.
Oh my god, no way. When did you finish it?
I finished it like 2 hours ago. Tom and I are gonna go get some food, and then we're gonna get some dessert later.
How was the Dilly? In what world is that a So this is what I think I got. Mango pancakes, yeah. These are really good.
눈치 보면서 들어가야 할 때 찾아 잘못진 바빠 설레임 바꾸는 사람들
I like this a lot.
지나가 자신감 가지고 헤어 그냥 천천히 들어가야 해 어쩔 때는 우주처럼
That's not bad actually. I like that.
We just got out of the dessert place, but Colin is still hungry. I'm gonna go to Safeway and find this guy some sweet fruit Danish. It's a very specific thing that you're craving right now.
동선을 타고 난 날아
Pair it with the Danish.
동선을 타고 난 날아올라
Here's the weird thing with the Danish.
동선을 타고 난 날아올라 알고 싶은
Yeah, I probably would. Can I take my B-reel? Is that really spicy? I'm actually really happy you got the rolls. Yeah, I kind of did one.
Seen you guys since.
I know, I haven't seen you guys in so long.
Is it like the sugar?
Okay. Wait, what's this one?
Oh, great.
It's coming soon.
Oh, you're not gonna move.
I'm gonna go to a cafe today. It's like really aesthetic inside and I just need to get a lot of work done. I'm gonna do some editing as well as just some work I have for my job. It's gonna be more of a productive day today. But yeah, I will see you all at the cafe in a little bit. Attachment on this one. Is that like the, what's it called, the rebound? Thank you. What are we Did you start walking? I have a monitor on.
good.
Wow. Have you ever looked up the nutrition facts of what you eat after you eat it?
No, because I know I'll regret it. Like I know how much calories this is.
How many is it?
Definitely over 1,000 for sure.